Hey guys, it's me, EB, and welcome back to another video for Scratch. We will be continuing the project, the platformer, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna go and get it opened. And here, let's go. So, we're gonna be continuing what we did last episode. But this time we're gonna add backwards and you know that jumping animation. I'm gonna fix that too. Okay, great. So, I think this might be the last episode. So yeah. Anyways, let's go. So to fix the jumping, when we all have to go back to the jumping thing. So jump, and when space is pressed, just wait. Let me just look at this. Oh yeah. So you see this forever. Before we do anything, we want to use a repeat and tell instead, and then you just want to duplicate this block, put it in, till it's touching the color. So then it won't just keep on going down. So now that we're done, because it would have just kept on going. And now at the end of it, we just put the switch costume back to the first one. So now, but after when space is pressed, you're gonna put look switch to costume to your jumping costume, and then when you jump, oh yeah. Wait, oh yeah, never mind. I see the problem again. It just is this. Because whenever it's touching it, it just stops, so that wouldn't work. So you would want to, well, you just put it forever, I guess. Well, that didn't work out. I thought it would have worked better. Oops, almost deleted the whole thing. If your computer gets laggy a bit after this, there's definitely a reason for that. It's because of all the code. So that might explain it. Also here. So you would put an if. So you go control if. Or you could put a wait until right here. Then you duplicate this color here. Space. Okay, now we need to find the jumping, which is that one. So you could probably just put that there. Okay, wait, now let's reset, start again. I have no idea what is happening. I'd probably go here, wait 0.1, see if this works. 0.5. Okay, right now I have no idea what is going on. Oh, oh, I see, I see, I see. Right here, right here. Right here, you see this? It's if these are not pressed, which I'm not pressing them when I jump. So then it automatically turns it back. So to fix that, we just add an and. So if these are not, and then you would put an and touching the green. Duplicate here, and then you'd put this back in there. That will make it very long, but it works out. And then now we should hopefully, it should hopefully work. An easier way to do this is to duplicate the whole thing. Just throw everything out. So right now it shouldn't, yeah, it wouldn't do it. So when this is clicked, you would go to, you would want to make it so that if the like if it's not touching green, where is it? Not, if not touching with a not, if the color is not touching that color, then you would want it to be in the jumping animation, since it would be falling-ish, you could say. So switch to costume 1.2. Okay, yeah, I have to click the flag again just to, because now it's active. And now if I move it up here, see it floats now. So now it works. So now I have jumping. So oh well, here we have a problem. Okay, so just what you have to do for this is, it's very simple. You might have to lower this a little bit lower. Seems to be a bit interfering. So now let's try. Yeah, so now it works. You just have to lower it a little bit. See this? This is just gonna happen. There's a easier way to fix it. All you have to do is, here, I'll do it quickly for you guys. So you duplicate each of these. Duplicate these ones. Well, you can't really do anything with them, but okay, whatever. I'll do it anyways for you guys. So right here, you just, now think about it, you could just do this to 1. Yeah, let's take this, move it here, move the leg here. We want to take the arms, flip them vertically, put them back up. Then we want to kind of duplicate it. Copy, paste, wait. Oops, wait, undo it once. Okay, now you want to select the arm, copy it, paste it, flip horizontally like this. Then you just want to take the foot back and move it back on, because that works. And then you just duplicate this image. So you don't need 2 of these. Well, actually, I accidentally duplicated this. So then that, and then all you do is select them, flip them horizontally. Just do that. Just, yeah, you do that. So then now you have 2. So if I'm right, That looks pretty cool. So now you could put an if. So when if not touching this, switch to costume this. You know? But then you would have to add a whole bunch of more code, which would make it easy. So there's a really good easy way to organize this. So if you see here, okay, right now we're just gonna zoom out. We're gonna move this here and focus on making it so that this can make the person, you know, jump. So I can make it move to the side with that animation, because right now we can't really move to the side because there's a reason for that. Jump image 3 right here. Okay, wait, so when I move to the side, it puts this. So if we switch that, then that mean if I switch this, would it like that? Okay, wait. Oh, I see. So it's switching to image 3 and image 2. So if it's number 3, if costume number equals 3, if only we could show costume number right here. So right now it's 1. Right here it's 6. The reason for that is because of the image number. So what we would have to do for that is to take the sprite. We would, instead of putting image 3, we would put we would pick the good image, which would be image 2 and image 3, right? So then it would be like that. But I don't know if this is enough, but you could probably figure out the rest by yourself, and then you just add more maps to the other sides. And then, you know, your game. There you go. You have a game. I'll leave the link to this in the description. I'm probably going to complete it, but I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day.